E is for elephant with Hopi. Wake up, Hopi. It is a bright, sunny day. Today is all about the letter E. Can you say E? Hopi is ready for an extra special adventure to find things that start with her favorite letter. First, Hopi goes to the kitchen. I am hungry. She says, what starts with E that we can eat for breakfast? Hopi finds a bowl of yummy, round eggs. Crack, crack, pop. They are delicious. Time to go outside. Hopi walks toward the back of the house. She finds a big door with a bright red sign. It says exit. Hopi pushes the door open and steps into the big, wide world. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Who is making that big noise? It is Ellie. Ellie is a giant, friendly elephant. Hello, Ellie. Hopi shouts. Ellie waves her long trunk to say hello. Ellie is very, very big. She is enormous. Hopi looks at Ellie's ears. They are as big as blankets. When Ellie flaps them, they make a soft whoosh sound like a fan. Hopi and Ellie walk to the garden. Everything is so green. Hopi finds a leaf that is a beautiful emerald color. She holds it up, and Ellie takes a tiny nibble. Munch, munch, munch. Look up. Hopi points to the sky. High above the trees, a majestic eagle is soaring. It has big wings that stretch out wide. The eagle flies in circles, enjoying the breeze. Suddenly, Hopi hears a loud whistle, choo-choo. A train is rolling down the tracks. It is pulled by a powerful engine. The engine puff-puff-puffs as it carries the cars along. The sun begins to set, and the sky turns purple. It is evening. Hopi and Ellie sit together and look up. The evening stars start to twinkle and blink like tiny diamonds in the dark. Hopi is sleepy now. Her E-adventure is at an end. She hugs her elephant friend and heads to bed. Good night, Ellie. Good night, letter E. Hopi dreams of elephants and eggs and evening stars. E is for elephant with Hopi. Subscribe Hopi and Friends.